Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Friends, in this video we are going to show you simple blouse back and front neck design. So please watch the video till end. Friends, we know that blouse design are the heart of any Indian ethnic wear, and simplicity often speak the volume of Indian artery. Whether you are dressing up for wedding or engagement or a casual event or a traditional ceremony, the simple blouse front and back neck design can elevate your entire look effectively. This video we are going to show you different type of simple front and back neck design for your saree or lehenga. I ensure that you will find the perfect match for your outfit. Friends, simple ari work blouse front and back design add a touch of elegance with intricate embroidery. These front and back design blouses are perfect for silk sarees or any other cotton and georgette sarees. Friends, these kind of blouses are ideal for casual or formal event. Friends, back design can transform the overall appeal of your blouse design. From he-coal pattern to classic U-neck, V-neck, port neck shape style, simple back neck design ensure a refined look while keeping comfort in mind. Friends, in this modern trend, embrace minimalist pattern of back and front neck blouse such as plain blouse with stylish neckline, piping detailing, or button embossed. They are a must-have for contemporary ethnic artistry. Friends, cotton blouse front and back neck design are all about comfort and versatility. Pair them with printed saree or cotton silk saree or cotton saree for a breathable look. This kind of blouse design best suitable for daily wear or casual event. Friends, experiment with boat neck front and back design or square neck front and back design or collar style neck front and back design to add elegance without going overboard. These neck design suit sarees and lehenga alike. Friends, select from cap sleeve, elbow sleeve length or sleeveless design to match your saree wife. Puff sleeves and bell sleeves are also trending nowadays. Net front and back neck blouse design are ideal for an ethereal look. Opt for subtle embroidery or lace work to keep it simple yet stylish. These blouse front and back design pair beautifully with light saree like chiffon, georgian and organza. Friends, balanced front and back design are a key trend. A modest round neck front with a stylish cutout back is an excellent combination for modern blouse design. Friends, I hope you guys are love this video. If you like this video, please do like, comments and share it to your friends and family. Friends, if you want more video like this, please click subscribe button and along with the bell icon. Thank you friends and keep watching.